Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another stock market show video. Cybl stock. Let's talk about Cybl stock. Because I know Cybl stock right now, it's just barely holding on to 005s. Honestly, I would expect it to come down to 004s, maybe even 003s. That would be great, so I can add some more. I'm not scared. Let it come down. I'm not like some people. Some people are going to see their account red and they're going to be like, oh no, it's over for Cybl stock. And they're going to sell and then it's going to pump huge. And then they're going to be upset that they sold off. So the reality is it's a penny stock. It's not going to move until we get news. And I'm going to show you some due diligence. This is mainly for the people who have no idea what Cybl stock is about. People who just started following my channel recently. So let me tell you why I'm so bullish on this. That's not even, we're not going to touch on the technicals. There's no need for it. I've done that plenty of times. Cybl Corporation is partnering with Palantir to deploy warp speed operating to accelerate global defense production and mission execution across their manufacturing operations. Look at this. AI play, Department of War, and Palantir partnership. I don't know why people are, you should not be scared of this. This is the kind of stock you buy and sit on it. Because once they start dropping news again, which they rarely do, they're kind of like what's that one stock? I forgot the name. Eyeless. They're kind of like Eyeless. They don't communicate often, but when they do, it moves. Well, Eyeless is trash, but you know, I think they were a scam, quite frankly. But this is real. The Eyeless don't got no Palantir partnership. They got nothing. Partnering with Palantir on the deployment of Warp OS marks a transformative step for Cybl Corporation, said Mark Schmidt, Chief Executive Officer. Warp OS is providing us with the real-time insights and operational flexibility required to scale, keyword, scale our manufacturing. That's the most important thing. Scale manufacturing. I don't even need to read anything else. That's all that matters. Scale manufacturing. We are streamlining operations, optimizing our supply chain, and delivering technology where it's most needed. This collaboration aims to allow Cybl to reduce lead times, resolve production bottlenecks, and deliver advanced equipment more responsibly to the Department of War, allied military forces, and global government partners. It's a penny stock. Can you believe that? That's so stupid that it's a penny stock. But no one cares about it right now. But they'll get another piece of news. This thing will go higher. At least take advantage of the pumping up. And it's sub penny, so it can easily move 50%. Just to be clear. Is this the same one? Oh, yeah, this is the same one. Yeah, excited to begin work with our partner Palantir Tech. Cybl aligns with Department of Defense vision to unleash U.S. military drone dominance. Cybl Corporation stands not only aligned but already operational into space. Others are just beginning to enter. So, deploying affordable AI-enabled tactical drones. And by the way, this company has partnerships with Trellisware and OKSI, and obviously Palantir. So, I think if you have the patience, I'm telling you right now, if you got the patience to sit on this penny stock, you will make at least minimum 50%. But more than likely, 100% plus easy. Because nobody cares about it right now. And then it pumps huge on the next PR news. I don't know how you can look at this due diligence and be scared. You should be excited. I've said this before so many times in my live streams. It's hard to lose on stocks that have government backing, that have government contracts, that works with the government, and that has a pattern of always pumping and dumping. Whether it's Nightscope, whether it's Palantir, well, that one's actually trending. Whether it's Cybl, it doesn't matter. It's hard to lose on these kinds of stocks. The only reason you would lose is because you're stupid and don't know what you're doing. Kind of like I didn't know what the hell I was doing back when I bought Cyibble at 6.5 cents because I thought it was going to go to, $1. Because Moon Market fooled me and fuck that guy. But, here I am now 5 years later. I know what the hell I'm doing. If it goes down to 003s, 004s, please add more because I'm going to add more. I've played this game long enough to know you buy when people are scared. You buy when it's red. And a lot of people have been messaging me, telling me, hey, thank you. I've made a lot of money on on a lot of my picks. And do you want to know what they all have in common? They all fucking bought the red. They all fucking held. And that's how they made the big bucks. Let me see if I can find it here. Right here. Join the Discord now. You will love it. Shades, good morning. I am so happy today. As you know, I purchased APLD for $6. Now it's at 36. I have almost 3,000 shares. Do you think I should sell or keep it? I like to keep for a couple of years. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And please let me know your opinion. And I told him, hey, I think this is a good one. Hold it. So, like it's just about buying and holding if you want to make the 5 to 10x. And I've had a lot of people thank me because I gave them that confidence. It's funny to be on the other side, right? Back when I was a beginner, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was just like, I guess this guy said buy Cybl at 6.5 cents. This moon market guy seems reputable. Turns out he's just a pumping number and a scammer as far as I'm concerned. Because he doesn't keep it real. He doesn't. I keep it real. Maybe he keeps it real now. I don't know. But I keep it real. And I'm telling you right now, there's going to be some fear. There's going to be some bears saying, oh, it's over. They're being sued. They're going to focus on the negative, but not even look at the positive, right? Ignore. Let's entertain that. I bet you there's already bears on Twitter right now. Let me see if I can pull it up. I bet you there's bears on right now saying stupid shit like that. I've been through this, man. It's awesome to be on the other side. It's awesome. Man, I wish I had a mentor back then. But now I'm the mentor for other people, and I hope I can help as many as possible to be where I'm at. Cause I ain't special. I graduated high school in 5 years, dropped out of several colleges. Like I learned PHP, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and worked as a web developer briefly before getting into this. So. And turns out you could make more door dashing back in 2020 than you could make more door dashing back then than at least from a web developer job, or churning out pages with WordPress, I guess, and manipulating it with PHP or whatever, if I recall. Cyibble, oops, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for PHP. Man, I have not coded in a long time. Okay, let's look at let's see what are people saying. Let's just see what. I bet you there's some bears in here. Already done with Cybl. Wow, there's just a lot of spam. There's just a lot of spam. Okay, I'm not seeing any. It's just a lot of spam. There's just literally just a bunch of bots. That POS market maker keeps diluting out of the stock. Sucker, soon I will be in total control. Blah, blah, blah. All right, I was expecting. It's mostly just me commenting. Okay, never mind. I thought we would. Let me see. I'll be back to OTC one day. I will always have my. It will always have my heart. I'm still long Cybl, and I'm going to because I believe in my research company. Well, she's also a scammer, if I recall. She was part of the moon market Cybl scam, I like to call it, telling people to buy at a top. Screw them. Screw them. I'm still pissed. I didn't know any better. It's my fault. It's my fault. I clicked buy stupidly at 6.5 cents on this. It's my fault. You know what? I'm joking. It's my fault. I admit it. I was wrong. I should not have been following other people and just done my own due diligence and bought bottoms instead of tops, right? So right now on that quarterly time frame, nothing has changed. This is the bottom. This is the top. You don't want to be buying anywhere above 1 penny, but under 005s, under that purple line on the daily time frame, you're getting a steal. Under 006 in this case. So if it comes down, add more. Got plenty of time ahead for this to get moving. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Please, I'm telling you right now, I'm on my knees. Bye.